Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to see 12th max. 12th max, and then we are discussing about nth root of a complex number. So already we have shown so many equation on this. Now we are going to see nth root of unity. Nth root of unity. Unity means 1. Okay, nth root of unity means root is the radius is 1. Unity is 1 now. Radius is 1 means radius equals to 1. That is the thing. See, last class we have shown this one. Today we are going to see nth root of unity. We have discussed this one. Find the nth root of a complex number. Complex number general. So we have taken and we arrived this result, that is z power 1 by n equal to r power 1 by n cos 2k pi plus theta by n plus I sin 2k pi plus theta by n is that. So here modulus is 1, that is the number itself 1. Then how we are going to write, that we need to see today. Okay. So this is nth root of unity we need to see. So that's mean we need to take z power n equals to what? 1, a complex number. Okay, so for this only we are going to find z equals to, for 1 we need to write nth root. For 1 we need to write nth root. Okay, so generally what we will do for 1 means what? So we are going to take z power n. 1 is nothing but when it will become cos 0 is 1. Correct? Cos 0 is 1 plus I sin 0, sin 0 0. Isn't it or not? So this 1 only I am writing. Cos 0 value is 1. Sin 0 is 0. 0 into I is 0. So this is 1. But we need to write general now. That is cos 0 plus 2k pi. 2k pi. This plus I sin 0 plus 2k pi. That is the thing we are going to do. Okay, so this is the form of writing z power n. Okay, so if I'm shifting this n to that side, what will happen? Z equals to what will come? Cos 0 plus anything same, so 2k pi will come. So plus I sin 0 plus 2k pi will come, and then this is in power, here it will come 1 by n. So by using Euler's, then we can write as cos 2k pi by n plus I sin 2k pi by n will come. So this is the nth root of complex number we can say here. Okay, so this you keep it in mind, so everything will be easy. So Euler form you want to write now, e power I 2k pi by 2 pi k or 2k pi divided by n. That is the Euler form we can write here. Is it clear? So you can see here what's the difference between this equation and that equation. This is the nth root. Obviously z power n I have taken, both are same only. I am taking nth root, so that same value. Here r power 1 by n is there, but here r is not there. Why its r is not there here? Means its magnitude is what? 1. So here 2k pi plus theta by n is there, but here 2k pi by n. There is no theta. Why? Theta's value is what here? 0 here. Here the same thing is there. This is in general. R value will be there, theta value will be there. Whereas here R value is 1, theta value is 0. When we are saying it's unity. So nth root of unity. This you keep it in mind. Based on this one, we have so many problems. Let me see one problem on it. Some more important is that is we used to say omega. That is the roots. Root now, for example, square root of 4 is what we are getting, 2 and plus or minus 2. Plus 2 and minus 2 is the value. So that only we will say omega 1, omega 2, like that we will say. So that there is a result is the sum of the nth root of unity is 1. The sum of nth root of unity is what they are saying now. 1 plus omega square plus so on will give omega power n minus 1. The value is 0. This is the results. I need not want to go with this result. Just keep it in mind. This is the thing we have to keep for solve. Now, okay, let me see the example sum. We will discuss that one. Example 2.32 is the example 2.3. What they say? Find the cube root of unity. Cube root of unity, they are saying. So we need to find the cube root of unity. That's it, the problem. Okay. So for this one, what we need to write here? So we need to take the value as z power 1. For that one, what do you need to take? 1 cube. Okay, that same formula we are going to apply here. So as you know, 1 we can write it as what? Cos 0 plus I sin 0 is 0 whole power 1 by 3. Because cos 0 value is 1, sin 0 is 0. So generally you want to write now z, what will become? Cos 0 plus 2k pi plus I sin 0 plus 2k pi will come. The entire power what will come? 1 by 3. So again z will become as cos 0 plus anything 2k pi divided by, instead of n here, what is that? 3 plus I sin, what will come here? 2k pi by 3 will come. This is the cube root of equation you have framed here. Okay, so equation you got it. Now you put k equal to, we are how many cube root now? How many roots value will be there? 3. So put k equal to 0. That is the first case. And then k equals to 1. That is the second case. And k equals to 2. That is the third case. It's not visible, sorry. So this is the thing. We are going to put k equals to 0, k equal to 1 and k equal to 2. We need 3 because cube not 3 value from 0, 1, 2, 3. If you are putting k equal to 0, what will be the z value coming? Z equals to cos 2 into 0 pi by 3. For understanding purpose, I am writing, or else you can straight away write the value. So pi divided by 3. So now you can see 0 into anything 0. So this is cos 0 plus I sin, what will be? 0 into 0. You know cos 0 is 1 and I sin 0 is 0. So the answer is what will come here. We can say implies it's 1 only. So 1 root is 1. Okay, it's visible. 1 root is 1. So because cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. 0 into I is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So the 1 value is what we are getting? 1. When if we are putting k equal to 0. Next I am putting k equal to 1. You can see next I am putting k equals to 1. That is z equals to what will come here? Cos in this equation. Okay. In this equation what we are getting? Cos in place of 1 not 2 pi by 3. So plus I sin, what will come? Again 2 into 1 2. 2 into k plus value is 1. So 2 into 1 2 pi. Can we write this equation as a star? In star we are going to substitute. In star we are going to substitute for understanding purpose. K value 0 you have substituted in star, you got this value, and now you are putting here you are getting 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 is actually is 120 degree. 2 pi na 360. 360 divided by 3 na 120. But we have to convert this one as cos pi minus pi by 3. You check it's correct or not, you check. 3 into pi, 3 pi. 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi. That is 2 pi divided by 3. So same thing, I sin, what we will write now? Pi minus pi by 3 will write. These are all the things you need to learn. So cos, whenever pi is coming, same. But it lies in which quadrant, you check. Pi minus na, it lies on second quadrant. So all silver, sign alone positive. So this will come negative pi by 3. So plus here positive will come I sin pi by 3. Pi by 3 is nothing but 180 divided by 3, 60 degree. What is the value for cos 60 degree? Half. So therefore this value it's coming minus half will come. That is 1 by 2 will come. So this is the value we are getting as 1 by 2. So plus I, next we have sin 60 root 3 by 2. So I am writing here, if you are putting k equals to 1, if you are writing k equals to 1, what's the root value it's coming for this one is minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 will come. Is it clear? So this is the thing we are getting. Okay, next we need to substitute. I am taking a sheet here. So next value we are going to put here what, k equal to 2. So since space is not there, I am erasing. So in star equation what I will put, k equals to 2 if I substitute. Where is the star equation? I will take here for your understanding purpose. Here what's the value we are getting? Z equals to cos 2. In place of k, what you need to substitute 2. So again 2 pi by 3 will come. So plus I sine, again what, 2 into pi by 3 will come. So simplify, what you are getting, cos 2 to the 4 pi by 3 will come. So plus I sine, what will come, 4 pi by 3 will come. So this is the value we are getting. But we need to bring in the first quadrant or second quadrant or third quadrant or fourth quadrant. That we need to do. So how we are going to split here now? It will come cos. Can I write pi plus pi by 3? You just simplify 3 into pi, 3 pi, 3 pi plus pi, 4 pi. So that's it. I sine pi plus pi by 3 will come. Cross multiply 3 into pi, 3 pi, 3 pi plus pi is 4 pi. So now whenever cos pi is coming, cos only, cos pi. But it lies on which quadrant? Third quadrant. Pi plus na, it going to third quadrant. 180 plus na, it will come on third quadrant. So third quadrant all silver T, tan alone positive. So this also negative will come, this also negative will come. I sine pi by 3 will come. So again what, pi by 3 na 60 degrees. So as you know, cos 60 value is half, sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So therefore we are getting here the value is minus half minus I root 3 by 2. In short, you want to write now minus commonly 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 also you can write. Okay, similar way here also, in this also minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 we can write. This is one root, this is one root, and then finally we have one more root. So therefore the roots are what you can write. First is 1, because here 1. Next one is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Next one is minus of 1 plus I root 3 by 2. These are the three values we can write it here. Is it clear? Are you getting how we are getting this value? So we have got all this value. So we want to share like that. As we know that one, this is, we will say 1 omega, this is omega square. I told you know alpha 1 alpha beta we will use in quadratic equation, whereas in where it is in this complex number we will use as what, 1 omega square 3. So you just add all these three, value will come 0. So how it's coming, you can see here minus and here it is plus. Minus into 1 minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2 now minus 1 will come. Here plus 1, add na 0. But here I root 3 plus here minus I root 3, they will get cancelled. You want, you can check. So here 1 plus omega square value is what, 0. We have written here, right, this result 1 plus omega square plus 1 omega per n is that is sum of nth root of unit is 0. Same way we are doing here. Here the value is 1 plus omega square value is 0. That is 1 value is 1 here. Omega value is what will come, minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 is there. And then this is what will come, plus minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. If you want understanding this, you write, easily you will understand why you are writing. This is 1. Okay. The next root is what, this one, right? Here separately is there. So separately I am writing minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 divided by 2. And the next root is what, third one, this you write before simplification. Minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2 is that. So you can see plus I root 3 by 2 and minus I root 3 will get cancelled. So minus of what will come? Minus 0.5 is 1. So therefore this is minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled now. Answer is what we are getting, 0. So we got 1 plus omega square. If you add all the root, the value will become as 0 when we are taking cube root of unity. That's why we are saying it's a cube root of unity. Is that clear? Okay, so this is another important question. Next we will see example. Is visible? Right. Example 2.33. So we are going to see next example 2.33. Find the fourth root of unity. Find the fourth root of unity. Fourth root of unity. Similar way, same way only we are going to do. Fourth root now, that is z power 4 equal to 1, that we need to do. That is z equals to the 1, the power is 1 by 4, we need to do it here. Okay. The same argument here also, 1, how we can write, as you told, cos 0 plus I sin 0. For understanding I am writing. Why it's cos 0 value is 1, sin 0 is 0, 0 into I is 0. So general form you want to write, now what will come? Cos 0 plus 2k pi will come. So plus I sin what will come? 0 plus 2k pi will come. The whole power 1 by 4 will come. Okay, so if you are writing 0 z, then z value is what will come? Cos 2k pi and power is 4. 0 plus 2k pi is 2k pi 4. So therefore it will come 2k pi divided by 4 plus I sin, again what will come? 2k pi by 4 will come. The value you want cancel, 2 one time this is 2, 2 one time this is 2. So z value what we are getting? Cos k pi by 2 plus I sin k pi by 2 will come. This is the fourth root of unity. Okay, so now what we need to do here means we need to take values. That is, as you know, last case we have discussed, what you need to do here now, you need to put here k value is 0, first one. Okay, so 4 values, so k 0 1 2 3 will come. So this 4 values you need to substitute. There is cube root, so that's why 0 1 2 you have put here. Fourth root, that's why we are going to write 0 1 2 4 number 1 2 3 4 roots. This is 1 omega square omega cube. Like this we need to find. So put k equal to 0 in this equation. That can I write as a star. If I'm on in star, if I'm writing in star, I am writing k equal to 0. 0 into pi by 2, that is z will come as cos 0 into pi divided by 2 will come. So plus I sin 0 into pi divided by 2. So same thing. So what we are getting? 0 into pi is 0. So cos 0 plus I sin 0 into anything 0. So therefore this value will become 0. Cos 0 is value is 1 plus I sin 0 value is 0. 0 into I 0. The I. So k equal to 0, now z value is what we are getting 1. Therefore that is the first root. Second one, in star, what we need to put? K equals to 1. Okay, k equals to 1, now z value what will come? Cos 90. Correct? 1 into pi by 2 plus I sin into 1 into pi by 2. So that is what we are getting here. Cos 90 plus I sin 90 will come. As you know, cos 90 is what? 0 plus I. Sin 90 is what we are getting? Sin 90 is 1. So therefore 1, I into 1 is I plus 0 I. So z value we are getting I here. Is it clear? Next what you need to do? We need to put k equals in star. Again in star, k equals to what you need to put? 2. If I am putting k equals to 2, see, straight away I am writing here. What will be the z value here? Cos 2 into pi, 2 pi by 2 plus I sin what will come? 2 pi by 2 will come. So you can see 2 cancel this 2, then it will come cos pi plus I sin pi will get. Okay, so now what we need to get here now? Cos pi value. What is the value of cos pi? Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Cos pi is minus 1. Sin pi is 0. So I into 0, 0. Therefore we are getting minus 1. I into 0, 0. So z here we are getting this one. Minus 1. Is that clear? Now finally we need to put k equal to 3 because we are discussing, right? Here k equal to up to what you need to do? 3. So that's why Again in star we are going to put k equals to what value? 3 here. So you can see here what is the z here. So this is cos, z value is what we are getting, cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2 will come. Okay, so now we need to do what? Again we need to split this one. So this is cos 270, this is, so pi plus pi by 2. We can see here, so pi plus na 2 into pi, 2 pi, 2 pi plus 1 is 3 pi, so 3 pi. So again here will come I sin pi plus pi by 2 will come. So this is the value we are getting. So now again pi plus na, it lies on second quadrant. Actually it is a border on between third and fourth. That's why whenever pi plus is coming, third. So it will lies all silver t, tan alone positive. That's why minus cos pi by 2 will come. So plus I sin pi by 2 will come. So minus only. This is minus. Okay, not plus. Tan alone positive in that quadrant. That's why. So cos 90 is 0. Minus into 0, 0. So minus I. Sin 90 is 1. So therefore minus I value will come. This is z. So now you can see all the value you got it. This is 1. This is omega. Okay. This is omega square. And this is your omega cube. According to our formula, if you add all 1 plus omega square plus omega cube, the value should come 0. Let me check that one. So now 1 plus omega square plus omega cube equals to 1 is here, 1 only, there is no doubt. So 1 omega value is what we are getting, I, so that is plus I, and omega square is what we are getting, minus 1. Omega cube is minus I. So plus 1 minus 1 plus I minus I get cancelled. Now we are getting what? Sorry. Plus 1 minus 1 plus I minus I get cancelled. Now we are getting 0. That means 1 plus omega square plus omega cube value is we are getting, this is correct. Okay, so we got all the 3 values. Is it clear? Okay. So now, okay, we will discuss another example. It's very interesting. So please carefully listen and try to solve as much as you can, because that's very important if you how you are solving the problems. Okay. So let me see how you are doing in your future. So I am just place this one. So now next problem we will go. Example. Next example is that it's very interesting. It's a little bit different. So example 2.34. It's example 2.34 is that. This is the example. What they're asking in this question: solve the equation. Solve the equation. They're saying solve the equation. Equation is here where z belongs to C. Where z belongs to C. Where z belongs to C means it's a complex number. What the equation is here? Now z cube plus 8i equals to 0. Z cube plus 8i equals to 0. That is the thing they have given here. Okay, so we need to solve this one. So let's we solve this one. So z, you know, complex number, z cube equals to minus 8i. Okay, 8 is a number, so that's why I am not going to disturb that one. It's a constant 8. I will take minus with I, minus I will take. So that's the thing. Okay, so now this is 8 z cube here, 8 is there, minus I. How we are going to write minus I now? Cos I need minus, so that's why I am going to write cos minus pi by 2, 90 degree, plus I sin pi by 2. Minus is very important here. Why? You know, cos 90 is 0, minus 90 or plus 90 is, there is a 0. Sin 90 is 1, but minus is done, minus into I minus I. So same thing I have written like this. So this is now general form you want to write now. Z cube equals to 8 will come, and then here cos 2k pi minus pi by 2 I am writing for our understanding purpose. So plus I sine again 2k pi minus pi by 2 I am writing here. We can write in our own style, that is no issue. Simplify, you will get the little bit simplified form. Then what we can do, we will check it here. So here if I am solving this one, what I am getting, you just see z cube equals to 8, you are getting here cos 2 to the 4k pi minus pi divided by 2 is that. Okay, that's the thing it's coming. So plus I sine, here also what will come, 4k pi minus pi divided by 2 will come, because cross multiplication you are doing. So we got this value. Okay, so now what we are going to do here, now we need to bring this 3 to that side. If you are bringing 3 to that side, what will come, z equals to the same 8 cos 4k pi minus pi by 2 plus I sine 4k pi minus pi by 2. The entire power what will come, here 3 is that side now 1 by 3. So that side what we are getting, 1 by 3. Now according apply it, so it will come z 8 power 1 by 3 will come, it will come down now cos 4k pi minus pi, here 2 into 3 is there. So because this 3 multiplied, so plus I sine what will come, 4k pi minus pi divided by 2 into 3 is there. That's the thing we are going to write here. As you know, 8 how you can write, I am writing here 8 1 by 3, that is 8 is nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so the power is 1 by 3 now. So that is 2 cube the whole power 1 by 3. So this 3 is cancel now, 8 power 1 by 3 value is what we are getting, 2. So that we can apply here. So we are getting z equals to 2 into cos 4k pi minus pi by 2 3s are 6 plus I sine 4k pi minus pi by 6 will come. So this is the value of z. We got one equation. This is previously we did cube root of unity, but here it is not unity, because here r value is what, 2 here, and theta value is pi by 6 is coming. So that you keep it in mind. So here you can see minus pi by 2 it's coming. R value is 8 here, and then theta value is what it's coming, minus pi by 2. That you keep it in mind. Now it is what you need to solve the equation. You can see it is cube only, no, it's what is z power, what is that, 1 by 3. So we have taken 3 only. So what are the value will come now? Put k equal to what you will do, 0 1 2. This 3 values you need to get it here. Okay, first I am putting k equals to 0 in this equation star. Can I make this as a star? So in star I am writing k equal to 0. K equal to 0 now z value what we are getting, 2 as such. I am not doing separately. 4 into 0 0, this everything 0. So therefore it will come cos minus pi by 6 plus here I sine what it's coming, here 0 now everything is 0. So this is will come minus pi by 6 will come. So z, that is 2. What is the value of pi by 6? Pi by 6 now 30 degree. Here minus 30 degrees that, so carefully we have to take this one. So that is cos 30 is 1 by cos 30 value is what we are getting, that is pi by 6. Pi by 6 now 180 degree by 6 now, that is we are getting as 30 degree we are getting. What's the value of cos 30? That we need to take. See, as we know, cos minus theta is cos theta. That's why it's coming cos pi by 6 will come. So here sin minus theta is minus sin theta. That's why it's minus I sin pi by 6. In 11th standard itself we have told you. So that's why to cos 60 degrees root 3 by 2 minus I sin, sorry, not 60, 30 degree. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. So therefore it's 1 by half will come here. So you can see here 2, and this is root 3 minus I by 2. Commonly I am writing this 2 get cancelled. Z value is what we are getting, root 3 minus I will come. So this is your first one we can take. So that's the value. Okay. So that you keep it in mind. Now what we need to put k equal to 1. Then what we are getting, we will check it here. So And so now I am putting k equals to 1 in the equation star. Okay, so k equals to 1 I am substituting. What's the 1 now? You see here z, then 2 will come commonly. Carefully, 4 into 1 4 pi, 4 pi minus pi na 3 pi, so therefore it will come cos 3 pi by 6 plus I sin also what will come, same, 4 ones are 4 into pi 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi, so this is 3 pi by 6 will come. So this is 3 one time, this is 2, this one time, this is 2. So what you are getting 2, this is cos 90 plus I sin, what you are getting 90 pi by 2. As you know, cos 90 is 0, so therefore 0 plus I sin 90 is 1, so it's a 1, so therefore 2 into I, 2I will come, that is your z value. So this is another, okay, this is another, okay, this is not 1, we can say it's a unitive only, but it's a equation, that's why we can't do this one. So we got, this is what 2I we are getting. Now next what we are going to do, next we need to solve the same by putting k equals to 3. So now I am putting k equals to 2 in star. So 1 0 you got, 1 you got, see you can 0 you have got the value, 0 value you got it, 1 value you got it. Now you need to put k equal to 2. If I am putting k equal to 2 in this equation, what you are getting, so 2 cos 2, 4 into 2, k value is 2, 4 to the 8 pi minus pi is 7 pi by 6 here, plus I sin what, here also what will come, 7 pi by 6 only will come. Now 2, 7 pi value we want to find. Now we will write cos pi plus pi by 6, y cross multiply 6 into pi, 6 pi plus pi is 7 pi. So next one, I sin pi plus pi by 6 will come. So again the same. Now again 2, cos pi plus theta na lies on third quadrant na all silver tan, teacups, tan only positive. Here cos and sin is there, that's why we need to take everything is negative. So minus 30 pi by 6 minus I sin 30 will come. So this is the value we are getting. So now 2, what's the value of pi by 6? Pi by 6 not 30 degree, cos 30 degrees minus root 3 by 2 minus I sin 30 degrees 1 by 2 will come. So commonly we can take here minus 2, minus I am taking common now, root 3 plus I will come, and divided by common 2 not 2, this 2 get cancelled. Now we are getting minus root 3 plus I will come. Okay, this is your z. So we are, the solutions are, we can write as, what's the first solution we are getting here, root 3 minus I, here root 3 minus I will come. Next one what you are getting, 2I, so that is 2I. Next what I am getting, minus root 3 plus I will come. Okay, this is a solution for this equation. Is that clear? Okay, next example, we are having example 2.26, 2.25 is that. That I think you can do it as a homework. It's a homework sum. Okay, do it as homework. What they are saying here, find all cube root of, find all cube root of root 3 plus I. Okay, root 3 plus I. As you know, root 3 is what, when will come, theta value, magnitude value, you find it. Okay, it's easy only, you can easily solve, it's not a issue. Okay, so please keep it in mind, that one, and then do as a homework. So carefully do it, or should I do, it's easy only, you just find first r is what, square root of x square, this is root 3 whole square plus 1 square, so that is r value is what it's coming, 3 plus 1, so that is r value is root 4, so r value is what we are getting 2, magnitude is, radius is 2. Okay, similarly this is a z value. Okay, so we need to find cube root. Now you have to take the power. Okay, that then alpha, that is theta value, alpha is nothing but tan inverse of x, y by x. So what's the y here, 1, x is here 3, therefore it will come tan inverse of 1 by root 3. When it's coming tan inverse of 1 by root 3 now, 30 degree, that is 30 degree, that is alpha value is pi by 6 will come. So this is a thing, alpha. Since it belongs to first quadrant, therefore theta value is pi by 6 only. Alpha belongs to 1 cube. So that's why theta value is what? Pi by 6 is coming. Okay. So therefore, z, what z here? Root 3 plus I. We need to take cube. This is cube. This is cube you take. Cube root only now. So this you take. Now this value how you can write now? R is what here? 2. General form is r cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the general form, right? So same way, r value is what you are getting? 2 here. Theta value is pi by 6. Therefore this will come cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 will come. So this is the thing we are getting. Okay. So this is z cube value. Then cube will goes that side now. Then z value is what will come? 2. This is cos pi by general form you write it now. Before this one, general form right now, cos 2k pi plus pi by 6 plus I sin what will come? 2k pi plus pi by 6 will come. So this is the thing you write first. Okay, for then z equals to what will come? Here 2, here cos 2 6 are 12 pi 12k pi plus pi divided by what is that? 6. Here also what will come? I sin 12k pi plus pi by 6 will come. The entire thing what will come? Power 1 by 3, because here z cube goes that side now. That's the thing we are getting. Okay. So now you just divide it. So if you are dividing by 3, so what you are getting? Let's see here. I'm taking a fresh page here. Just a minute. Okay. Now you can see. So by is the whole cube. So therefore that value will come here. Z value what we are getting here. Z value equals to, you are taking the entire thing as a power 1 by 3. So power 1 by 3 now. So it will become 2 power 1 by 3. Here inside what will come? Cos 12k pi plus pi divided by 6 into this will come by 3. So plus I sin what will come? Again 12k pi plus pi by 6 into 3 will come. So now you short it now, simplify it now. 2 power 1 by 3 will come. Here cos 12k pi plus pi divided by 6 3s are 18 and plus I sin here also what will come? 12k pi plus pi divided by 18 will come. This is the way we are getting. Okay. So now what we need to put? So this is our equation star we can take. Okay. This is our equation star. Okay. Now what we need to do here, since it's what the question they are asking, cube root. I said homework I am doing here. Find all cube root of they are asking. So cube root now what we need to put? K equal to 0, 1 and then 2. These are the three values we need to find it here. So if I am putting k equal to 0 in this equation, z value what will go? 2 power 1 by 3. Carefully I am straight away I am doing. 12 into 0, 0. So therefore this value will come cos pi by 18 will come. So similarly plus I sin what will come here? 0. So pi by 18 will come. Is that clear? So this is the first thing. So we won't have this value pi by 18, pi by this thing. If it is some specific 0, 30, 60, 45, 90 degree, now we can bring it to the form. But it is pi by 18 now, that is 360 divided by 180 divided by 18 now, 10 degrees it's coming. We won't have value for 10 degrees. So we need to see a tabular column. But we are not going to see that one. We will leave as such. Okay, so simple. Next k equals to 1. So k equal to what now? What we are getting? Here 2 power 1 by 3 will come. Here carefully see here 12 into 1 k value is placed 1 now. 12 ones are 12. 12 pi. 12 into pi 12 pi. 12 plus 1 is 13 pi. So this will come cos 13 pi divided by 18 will come. So plus I sin what will come here? 13 pi divided by 18 will come. So that itself you can stop. No need to write further anything here. Okay, it's a proper fraction too. Here the numerator is less than the denominator value. So we can write. The next one k equals to 2 you write. K equals to 2 now what you are going to do? Put 2 power 1 by 3. In place of k 2. 2 12s are 24. 24 pi plus 1 is 25 pi. So cos 25 pi by 18 plus I sin 25 pi by 18 will come. So you can split it here, your wish, or you can leave it, it's not an issue. Better you can split it, not issue. 25 is more than 18, that is numerator is big, so that's why we want to bring book back. Now we can bring it, that there is cos pi plus in 25 18 gone out. Now how much? 7 will come, so 7 pi by 18 will come. Cross multiply 18 into pi, 18 pi, 18 plus 7 is 25. Similarly here also I sin what will come? Pi plus 7 pi by 18 will come here. Okay, so now you can see here 2 per half will come. Whenever cos pi is coming now, it is cos only, but pi plus now it lies on third quadrant, so everything is negative, cos and sin. So therefore minus cos 7 pi by 18 will come here, minus I sin what will come? 7 pi by 18 will come. In this way you can solve this one. Is that clear? So that you keep it in mind. Okay, so now next problem we will go. It's very interesting and it's simple, but the thing is we need to know angles. If you know angles, everything is easy here. Okay, I will use some fresh page to solve this one. Let me solve. Okay, this example you can see here what they are saying. Suppose Z1, Z2 and Z3 are the vertices of a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, now all the sides are equal. Inscribe in a circle. So it is inside the circle whose mod Z is 2 and magnitude is 2. That means radius is 2, we can say. Okay, Z1 equals to 1 plus I root 3, 1 vertices. We need to find 2 more vertices, Z2 and Z3. See, if this is the axis, for example, now there is a circle here. If I am drawing like that, since equilateral triangle, one will be on the corner like this because it is on x-axis. So for our understanding, for example, this you take it as Z1. That Z1 value is what you are saying, 1 plus I root 3 is there. This is our Z2 and this is our Z3 is there. If you join, this is, it will come like this, and here it is like this will come. This is Z1, Z2 and Z3 is coming. So now we need to see the angle here. So totally complete circle is how much? 360. You are dividing equal because equilateral triangle is equal. So divided by 3 now, 120 will come. Is it clear? So this angle is from here to here, it is 120. So forget about from this to this is what will come, 120 degree. From this to this, 120 degree. From this to that, it will come 120 degree. Actually 120 degree means in radian form 2 pi by 3. Here one 2 pi by 3, here one 2 pi by 3. Here is also 2 pi by 3 will come, 120 degree. Add it, you will get as what? 2 pi, 6 pi by 3 is 2 pi will come in. This is the thing. Now we need to find Z1, Z2, Z3. They have given mod Z value is what? 2. Can we name this O, A, B, C? Like that we can write. Here OA is what we are getting? 1 plus I root 3. That is the OA. Now we need to find OB. OB we need to find it here. To find OB, we have Z1 into E per I theta. E per I theta we can write here. What is this Z1 into E per I theta means? Actually we have, for rotation there is a formula. In clockwise direction, it should be clockwise direction rotation. Rotation will be in clockwise direction. And then angle we know. Angle if we know. We know, then how you will find the vector? That is another complex number na? That known thing Z1 into Zi into E per I theta. Z1 itself we can write Z1. Here theta value you must know. Then you can simply multiply with the pricing. Here you can say Z1 is what here? 1 plus I root 3 multiply by E per I theta. I per I theta value is how much it's coming? 2 pi by 3. From Z1 to next, that inclined angle between that one is 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 will come. That you write in a complex number form, 1 plus I root 3. This is cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Is it correct or not? Is it correct? Right? Okay. Now you have to convert this one. 1 plus I root 3. This you can write cos pi minus pi by 3. 3 into pi, 3 pi, 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi. So reverse is coming. So plus I sin what we are getting? Again pi minus pi by 3. So now you check it is lies in which quadrant. That's very important. So pi minus not second all sign alone positive. Therefore this will come minus cos pi by 3 plus this is I sin, because cos alone negative, the others are positive. That's the thing. So now you can write 1 plus I root 3 into cos pi by 3 60 degree minus root 3 by 2 plus I sin cos pi by 3 and 60 1 by 2 sin 60 only root 3 by 2 will come. So in this way we are getting. So now we need to multiply this one. So we have to simplify. So I will simplify. In short they have written minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 is that. So now you can see we have one formula, a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? That is a square minus b square formula is that. So you can see here I root 3, this is a minus b plus b. So reverse, this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b. A plus b into a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. So therefore we can write I root 3 whole square minus 1 square you can write divided by 2. So I square is minus minus 1. Root 3 will vanish by 3. This is minus 1 divided by 2 now. That is minus 3 minus 1 divided by 2. That is minus 4 by 2. That is we are getting minus 2. The answer we are getting minus 2. Why now we cancel. So therefore OB value you got it. Okay, minus 2 we are getting. OB value we are getting minus 2. This is another, and OA already the complex number. Okay, next one, the third we have to do the same thing. Now you can see here OC you need to find. What you need to find? OC. See, from OC here 2 pi by 3, here 1 2 pi by 3. From this to this entire thing you need to find. From this to this entire thing. Here 2 pi by 3, 2 pi. That is 120 plus 120. What you are getting? 240. That radian form you write now 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3. Denominator same, 2 pi plus 2 pi. We can add 4 pi by 3 is coming for theta. Okay. So that you keep it in mind. Here OC is nothing but what will come? Z1 into e power I theta. What is the Z1 here? As you know, 1 plus I root 3. So that 1 plus I root 3. Here e power I theta value is 4 pi by 3. Just now you have written now 4 pi by 3. That you write 4 pi by 3. You write it here. So now again you convert this one. 1 plus I root 3. Here cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3. That you write. Now again 1 plus I root 3. Here cos 4 pi we can write pi plus pi by 3. Correct? Cross multiply 3 into pi. 3 pi 3 plus pi 4 pi. So again here what will come? I sin pi plus pi by 3 will come. Okay. So now if we are taking here what we are getting 1 plus I root 3. This is cos pi plus third quadrant. Third quadrant all silver t, tan alone positive but cos. So minus cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3 will come. So now this is 1 plus I root 3 minus cos pi by 3 60 degree half. Sin pi by 3 60 degree root 3 by 2. Now you can take this minus commonly outside. So 1 plus I root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 commonly you can take because common is the 1 plus I root 3 is there. 1 plus I root 3 value is there. Now we need to simplify this one. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 will come. Here you multiply 1 plus I root 3 the whole square. Now we can solve this one. What you are getting, we'll check. So this is minus 1 by 2 as such. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so now this is what we are getting, minus 1 by 2. This is 1, this is 1. Root 3 na, see, this is 1. Root 3 square na 3. I square is minus, so minus 3 will come. So this is minus 2 root 3 I will come. So that you keep it in mind. See, I am writing here. This you see, this value is minus half, so minus half. 1, 1. Here root 3 square na 3 only. I, so I square is minus. I square is minus. Root 3 and square is 3. 3 into minus, minus 3. So minus 2, and then this is minus 2 into 1, and root 3 is minus 2. Now you just minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 3 minus 2 root 3 I is there. Now commonly I can take minus 2 common here. So minus 2 if I have taken now, 1 plus root 3 I will come. So minus root 2, 2, this will get cancelled. Now we are getting 1 plus root 3 I will getting. This is your OC. So we are getting all the values. This is the things. So let's recheck. Okay, so all the value we got. So OA we know that one. Here we have OA is here, OB is here, and then OC we got it here. Okay, yeah, OC is there. So inshallah we'll see in the next class. Thank you. Wassalam.